Hello everyone. On-screen keyboard module will allow user to use an on-screen keyboard for all the modules. Now, after installing this module in the system, now let's get into settings under user and companies. Now I'm getting into the mutual admin where we need to enable this access for the mutual admin. Now after we enabling this access, user can see an menu keyboard menu on the top of a main page. Not only in the main page, we can see an same menu for all inside all the modules. It will work for all the modules. Now in this, let's get into the sales for a sample. I'm going to create a new sales. Now in this, I need to type an customer name. So for that, I need to place the cursor on the customer and I'm going to type. Okay. So for example, if I need to type an A, so I need to place a cursor in the customer and I need to type. So for example, if I need to type, you can just make use of this on-screen keyboard to type and customer name easily without any keyboards. So over here, this is one of the method, and also it will work for the product. If you need to add an expiry date, you can just add a date. We have the numpad, which is same like a keyboard we have. Okay, so if you need to disable this one, the so if you need to disable this keyboard, you can make click on an option which is available here. So it will be disappeared then. Like the same way it will work for all the modules. Not only here, if you install manufacturing, it will work for that too. And from the login page, you can see a same keyboard is available. After installing module, you can directly see a keyboard which is available here. Okay. Now from here, you can make use of this keyboard and you can log in easily. So in this way, we can make use of this module to create an so in this way, we can make use of this on-screen keyboard module. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.